Hello and a very warm welcome to Dolphin 254, your number one channel here in Kenya that keeps you updated on all the infrastructural developments happening in the country. So guys, today I'm super excited. As you can see, I'm here at the Marquis. I'm going to be touring with you these luxurious 2, 3, 4 bedroom apartments and 5 bedroom duplex penthouses, all with Dsqs, located in one of the Kenya's most sought out suburbs. This modern masterpiece offers unique elements of designs with a world-class amenities such as fully equipped gym, children play area, jogging track, heated infinity pool, just to mention a few, making it a perfect place to call home. It comprises of 2 twin tower blocks of apartments having 4 floors of parking, 1 floor of amenities, and 19 floors of apartments. Guys, I know some of you must be wondering, 19 floors? Yes, these people have a high-speed elevator which makes moving to all floors very smooth. And the price of these luxurious apartments range from 168,000 USD. So kindly contact the number on the screen for more information. So without wasting much of your time, let's tour the showroom together. So guys, we are ready to start the tour right away. I'm here at the Marquis apartment in Kileleshwa. Guys, the other time I did a video of Kileleshwa, most of you commented asking me to at least do an apartment tour. And looking around, this apartment was really outstanding. So I'm here with someone called Joseph, who is going to walk us through the apartment, show us everything you need to know. So let's do this, guys. Guys, meet Joseph.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So I've told my viewers, we are going to tour this place with you. You are going to tell us the construction journey of this apartment, every amenity that the apartment comes with, and everything they need to know about the apartment. Are you ready? So we go this way? Sawa.
So let's start from here.
Yeah.
So initially, this was the model before we did the groundbreaking. So basically this captures everything that is currently here. So this project is called the Marquis.
Marquis.
The developer is called Haiwan. And this is our first project.
Wow.
The block B and this block A. So block B and block A are similar. The only difference is the view.
The view.
We have 4 levels of parking, 1 floor of amenity.
There are 2 blocks, but with the one main entrance.
Exactly.
Okay.
So these 4 levels of parking, 1 level of amenity, and then 19 floors of apartments.
Oh, nice.
So basically, on the amenities level, we have more than 20 different kinds of amenities, which I'll show you once we go there.
Okay. So guys, we are at 5th floor. This is where you get all the amenities. So can you just show us around?
All right, so we can start from here. So this will be the kids' play area. As you can see, the spacing is more than enough.
Wow.
Then this other side, this side here will be the toddler's play area.
I see. And I love the fact that it's already functional. Like you have everything in place.
Yeah, and we still have more coming up.
Wow. Wow, getting an apartment here in Nairobi with such amenities, very rare.
So it will be here.
At cafe.
So that will be the kitchen for the cafe. Then this will be the counter.
The counter.
Then this will be the indoor eating area. And there's also an outdoor eating area here. So this outdoor eating area is Lavington facing.
It's?
Lavington facing, eh?
Oh, nice.
And then because of the kids, we opted to put this kind of glass, eh? Because you see a kid can't jump over here.
Oh, yeah.
Then down there, that will be the jogging track going down there.
Oh, I see.
So that track is 200 meters long. So if you make like 5 laps, that's a kilometer.
People must be fit.
Physically fit. Then this other space here is the daycare center.
It's the?
Daycare center.
Daycare. You bring here your kids, you are safe. Wow.
So this will be the daycare center space, which now opens up
To their playground. Okay, nice. I love the view from this point. Wow.
And the view has a lot of greenery from this side.
Yeah. Wow, I'm loving this. Guys, if you're already loving this, just give it a thumbs up.
So this will be chill spots. There will be free Wi-Fi, so you can just come and relax there.
Yeah, and also with a place to charge your phones, your gadgets. Wow.
Then this place will be a salon. We'll have a salon here. And that side will be a steam and sauna for ladies. And this other side will be a steam and sauna for gents.
Wow, sauna.
But up here, this will be a salon.
Okay, nice.
So that will be a continuation of the chill spots. Then this will be the gym area.
The gym.
You see the
It's so
spacing is,
spacious.
very spacious.
Yeah. Wow.
Then this will be the yoga room.
Nice. The yoga room. So spacious. I think I should relocate to this place. Swimming pool, guys.
Heated infinity pool.
Really?
So this is one of the largest pools in Nairobi.
I see.
It's a heated infinity pool. We also have pool decks on this side and pool decks on the other side. So this will be the adults pool, and the round pool there will be the baby pool.
Oh, nice.
Both will be heated.
Wow, wow. Guys, look at the view. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's like you are almost complete.
Yes. We are 3 months away to completion, so this is the best time for the buyers to come on board.
Yeah.
So this space here, so this will be an open amphitheater. This open amphitheater will have a shade on top, and then we'll have a drop-down screen here in front. So for the guys who love watching football and all that, you don't have to go outside there. You just do it from here.
Nice, nice. Like you've really accommodated everyone.
Everyone, yeah. That's the word. So we still have more amenities on this other side.
Wow, wow, wow.
So this will be the social hall.
Social hall.
So
You can
in
do your
case-
meetings here.
Meetings, birthdays, graduation.
Oh, nice.
So this hall will be furnished with some cozy seats, a sound system, and a TV. And this hall also has a kitchen.
Oh, I see.
So if you guys decide to cook, there's space there.
Okay.
Then this will be a mini mart.
Mini mats.
So groceries, maziwa, soda, you don't have to go outside there. Just buy from here.
I see. Oh, all in one.
Then this will be like a virtual working space. You know, for guys who work from home, let's say probably want to do a Zoom call and the kid is making noise.
Oh, you can
you
come
have a
here.
space. Yes.
So
It will be fully set up with some
with desks and
Wi-Fi and all that.
oh, nice. Free Wi-Fi, guys. Free Wi-Fi. Another chilling point.
Exactly.
Wow.
With chatting spots.
Yeah,
So another chill spot.
I see.
Then this will be an indoor games area.
Oh, look at this.
There will be a pool table here, darts, chess, table tennis, badminton. This will be basically a gaming zone
Wow.
for the residents. Exclusive.
I see.
This
And
will be a movie theater.
movie. Wow.
A month from now, it will be fully functional.
Yeah,
State-of-the-art movie theater.
I see.
Mini golf area.
Oh, wow.
So it's a 7-hole mini golf area.
I see.
So it will be basically a place where you can come by, and wind.
I love how green it is. Are they artificial?
This is artificial, yeah.
But they look like real grass.
Artificial.
Wow. Really looks good.
Capture this view there.
Wow. Oh my gosh. What? Hey, are we going all the way to 25th floor?
Yes.
Guys, don't worry. The lifts are high speed. Tutafika huko sahi. Wow. So from 5th floor, where are we headed?
We are going to the 8th floor.
8th floor.
That's where the show hall is.
Okay.
That one is underneath.
So guys, we are getting in 1, 2, 3. Wow, we are here already. Hey Joseph.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Yes.
So where are we?
So guys, so this is our current showroom. It's a 3-bedroom, which is a 2-suite. As I told you earlier, this project has a 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bed, 4-bed, and 5-bed.
Yes.
And each unit is having a DSQ. But this one is in particular, the current show house, which is a 3-bed, 2-suite. So basically, the first door that you pass there will be the main entry to the DSQ.
Oh, I see this one.
The main door is a pure solid mahogany.
I see.
Then this will be the main entry.
Okay.
So when you just enter, this will be the dining area.
Let me show them. Let me show them.
So the dining area is separate.
Wow.
Very
Guys,
spacious, as you can see.
look at the dining area. Oh my God, look at how beautiful it is. Dining really looks beautiful. Apart from the dining, here's the kitchen. Wow.
So the kitchen is an open plan. It's coming fully fitted with all the appliances.
Okay.
So the kitchen cabinets are from Italy. And then the appliances are from Germany.
Oh, nice. So let me just show you. The kitchen space is so huge. See the drawers. It also has this. And a very big space to keep your pencils. And this is the door to the DSQ. This is the living room.
So this will be the living room. It opens up to the balcony. And guys, these doors are soundproof. So when you're inside, you won't be able to hear the noise outside.
Oh.
So that should be the balcony space.
The view from the balcony. Wow. Oh my
So it's
God.
lovely to have this in.
Oh, this side is Lavington. Yeah, and this other side, Kileleshwa.
So we're actually on the border between Kileleshwa and Lavington.
Yeah, I see. And the place is also at a very strategic place, just next to the road. Wow, soundproof. So, guys, you can compare the noise from out there and when I've completely closed the door. You see? It's completely soundproof. So this will really help, especially to avoid the surrounding noise. So this was a good idea. We have a very beautiful wall art here. You see? So unique. I really love it. We have the wall, the lamps, the lights. And these chandeliers, guys, they're just unique. I really love them. They make even the space looks good. We have a table here. You see? We are proceeding. The next place. Yeah.
Yeah, so this space will be for the boilers. The boiler will be like a backup for the solar heated water.
Okay.
So once it's fitted, it will be concealed nicely.
Okay.
Then this is the master. So this master is in suit. So this is the washroom.
Oh, I see.
We're having some very nice tiles from Spain.
Oh, from Spain?
Yep.
Wow.
And then for the sanitary area, we're using Collar. Collar is from Germany.
Okay.
And that's the shower cubicle.
Oh, I see. Let me show them this.
So that's the rain shower.
Yeah, I see. Wow, I love this. It has a drawer.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Sour.
So the cistern is inbuilt, so you just press from here. Yep. And this is the bedroom space.
This is the master bedroom.
Yep. And the balcony here.
Wow, and the view from the balcony. So these windows are soundproof.
Yep.
Okay.
So when you're in, you can't hear the noise out there.
Okay.
Then this flooring is ceramic. It's from Spain.
Ceramic floor.
Ceramic but with a wood finish.
Oh yeah. Beautiful wall art there. And the light. Love this. Wow. The closet.
The closet.
So huge. I know most people love places with huge closets like these. Next room.
That's the next bedroom.
Oh. Kids' bedroom, visitors' bedroom.
Exactly.
Yeah, and oh, you also have a workspace.
Yes, that's there.
Wow. This is nice. Oh. Okay. Beautiful wall art. Will this be removed when someone occupies the space?
So that one is just for showcasing, but in case somebody is really interested,
they can customize everything the way they
exactly.
want. So
That bedroom.
oh.
So that bedroom is also in suit.
Oh, nice. Let us be. Ocean. Very spacious, as you can see. So
With the guest washroom. That would be the guest washroom.
oh, this is the guest washroom. So you said this one will be placed there.
Yeah, that's the boiler.
This is the boiler.
Yes.
So I'll definitely come back when everything is fully fitted.
Exactly.
Just to show my viewers how the outcome.
True.
Wow.
We're just a few months away to completion. So this is the best time for the clients to come on board.
So what are you going to tell my viewers as someone who wants to invest in real estate, want a house, market yourself?
So the Marquis is one of the best projects in Nairobi. World class. It's an award-winning project. So I would wish to welcome all the viewers to come and have a look, come and experience this amazing project, because it's truly one of a kind.
Yes. It is really outstanding, and guys, I'm telling you, I'm relocating here very soon, very soon.
Looking forward.
Thank you so much, Joseph, for your time.
Karibu
It
sana
was
Zell.
such an amazing tour. I really love your place. And
Thank
the
you.
convenience. It's just next to the road.
The
Everything here is
amenities.
just awesome. The amenities. Guys, I think you really enjoyed watching the video. If you did, kindly leave me a comment at the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this amazing apartment here in Kileleshwa. The Marquis, the place to be.
That's it.
Thank you so much. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.